Today we're going to talk about a few tricks to keep your Intel i7 4790K processor running cool. Lately my processor has been running idle in the mid-60s, and under a long stress test I even had it reach 100 Celsius and shut off to protect itself from damage. So first I'm going to show you my settings on undervolting and underclocking this processor. So as you can see, for the core voltage offset, I've set this to negative 0.035 volts. If we scroll down, instead of 44x, which should be default, that's 4.4 gigahertz, I've gone ahead and clocked this down to 4.1 gigahertz. And in addition to that, our cache voltage offset has been brought down to minus 0.020 volts. And basically, the less power you have running through your CPU, the cooler your temperatures are going to be, as a general rule of thumb. You want to make sure that you do these in small increments though, typically by 0.005 or 0.01 at the most when you start off, just to protect your CPU and make things easier for yourself. These settings work for me, and this has brought my, my idle temperature down about 10 degrees Celsius. And in addition, another thing you can do is to open up your computer and make sure you clean out all your dust. And if you're feeling adventurous, reapply some silver paste onto your CPU. And there are tutorials online that can help you with that. And doing these, you should be able to cool your CPU down considerably without losing too much performance. And yeah, so thank you for watching. I hope this can help you out.